Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Let's kick things off with a pretty staggering number, 1.9 billion pounds. That's how much a single cyber attack cost the car giant Jaguar Land Rover. Ouch. It completely paralyzed them. We're talking a global shutdown, with supply chains crippled for weeks. So, what caused this billion-pound mess? You're not going to believe how simple it was. Yep, a single 4-year-old password that someone just forgot about. That's it. So a tiny flaw created a massive failure. But what if the next big one isn't human error? What if it's a mistake made by AI? A flaw hidden in the code it writes for us? This is where a super risky new trend comes in. It's called vibe coding. It's such a big deal, Collins Dictionary actually named it the word of the year for 2025. Now, here's the scary part. A human mistake is often kind of obvious, but AI flaws, they look perfect. This practice creates this massive hidden problem for companies, a huge security debt. And no, we are not talking money. It's the cost of all those unpatched holes just waiting for an attack. This security debt thing, it's already a massive problem. 77% of financial firms have it. Okay, so if AI is about to make this way worse, how do we stop the next big disaster? It's all about a new game plan. And really, it boils down to 3 key steps for safer code. Ultimately, we need a culture of verification, which leaves us with a pretty big question, right? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.